In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to fields in Tableau. This simple process will allow you to effectively annotate your data visualizations, enhancing their clarity and communication power. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the Tableau app. If you haven't already, launch Tableau on your computer. Once you've got it open, it's time to access your worksheet. Navigate to the specific worksheet where you want to add comments. Having your data organized and visualized is key to ensuring a smooth process. Once you've accessed your worksheet, let's create a fundamental visual. For example, try dragging sales to your columns area. This step is essential as it sets the stage for adding comments to your data fields. Now drag subcategory to your rows. By setting up a basic visualization, you ensure that the context of your data is clear and easily understandable. Now that your visual is in place, let's get to the core of adding comments. Look for a measure or dimension in the data pane, like sales, and click on its drop-down menu. This drop-down offers a variety of options, but what we're focusing on here is under Default Properties. Scroll down and select Comment. With that selected, a dialog box will appear where you can start editing and adding your comments. Here, you can provide additional insights or explanations about specific data points directly through comments. Take advantage of the options to edit the size, color, and fonts of your text to make sure the comments stand out and are visually cohesive with your visualization. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click OK. From now on, when you hover over the sales field in your visualization, the comment you added will pop up, providing viewers with the context or additional information right at their fingertips. This can be particularly useful for complex data sets where further clarification helps with understanding. If you later decide that you want to edit a comment, don't worry, it's straightforward. Simply click the drop-down menu associated with the field you want to modify. Navigate back to Default Properties and hit Comment again. From there, you can make any necessary changes and save them by clicking OK. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to efficiently add and manage comments within your Tableau worksheets. Whether for your own reference or for enhancing the clarity of your data presentations to others, comments serve as a powerful tool for making impactful, well-explained visualizations. Thanks for watching, and happy data visualizing.